Yeah, good afternoon, viewers. We are on to Soludo TV Interaction program with one of our strong stakeholders in Orumba North local government. Sir, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Hon Nwobu Cyril from Ufuma in Orumba North.
All right. Sir?
Honorable Hon Ebube Ikwueto.
Okay, I am Machi Pius Igwe, and you seems to have a very strong, formidable program event yesterday. How was it?
Well, the turn-up was so massive, even beyond my expectation.
Okay.
So, although I have a very powerful structure, and when people hear that I'm endorsing Soludo,
the turnout was massive.
Very massive.
You said something sometimes ago that our boss here is one of the apostles that introduced you to Apuga. Sir, you are doing a wonderful work for Apuga in Orumba North.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. What actually did you do to bring this young man from the camp he was before to the new place he...
Like I said, I was the former deputy chairman of Apuga in the Orumba North.
Okay.
Presently, I'm the special assistant to the governor on agriculture.
All right.
And I happen to be the coordinator of Great Soludo Petrol in the Orumba North.
All right.
At the same time, the Igwe Global of the same GSP.
Oh, that's good.
And there is reason for all these things. My love and passion for Soludo is too intimidating that I represent Soludo in the Orumba North.
That's good.
And by my actions, there are people who watches both my write-up, both my activities, like Honorable Frankie Ikwueto rightly said, that he was following my write-ups, he was following all my activities about Soludo projects. And my politics is politics without bitterness. Because of that principle of politics without bitterness, he was so much immersed and carried away with that time, politics without bitterness. Because I see politics as a game. Politics is a game of interest. Therefore, I don't need to have issue with any other person.
Yeah.
In terms of his own interest.
Yeah.
I'm supporting Soludo. Somebody else will support another candidate.
Yes.
There's nothing to worry about. What matters is face their own and get their own.
Yes.
So he liked that and decided to collapse the structure to our own structure too.
That's wonderful.
Supporting Soludo equally. He wasn't supporting Soludo ab initio. But because of my antecedents, he said, no, if this man can be doing all these things, let me join the same queue and make sure that this project is actualized.
Okay. It seems that you people have a very strong support base for Soludo in Orumba North. You are from Orumba North?
No, from my precisely.
Okay. What should we expect that in a case if after all Soludo picks Apuga ticket and we go to the general election in November 6?
Yes.
What kind of volume of vote should we be expecting from Orumba North?
To start with, like I correctly said, Orumba North is among the local government in OA. That's what we call OA, Agwata Union.
Yeah.
Therefore, I want to assure you that the people of Orumba North is solidly behind the project of Soludo to become the next governor of Anambra State. If I say he will get 99%, don't see that as an overstatement, because it is our project.
Okay.
It is our project.
That's the old Agwata Union.
The Agwata Union, Orumba North in particular, is for Soludo. Forget about all this distraction. At the day of the election, you will see, we will have to prove a point.
Okay, sir, Ikwueto, Nwa Anayo Eze, right?
Yeah, right.
So what message are you sending to other Apuga members, Anambra people, people of Orumba, and people of Old Agwata Union regarding this movement, Soludo movement?
Well, my advice to them, if I can move, any other person can move.
Yes.
Because some of my friends that is not from Anambra State, their passion for Soludo even is too intimidating. Then some we are saying Soludo represent currency. Soludo represent digital economy.
Yeah.
Soludo represent professionalism. Soludo represent institution. And if you can take it from with maybe if you evaluate it with other aspirants, if we can be honest with ourselves, Soludo is the best.
Okay.
And we cannot afford to miss this opportunity.
You are saying that where we have best, there's no need going for good or better.
Yes.
And Soludo is best among the others are qualified.
They are good.
But Soludo is best of the qualified.
Soludo is A1.
A1. That's wonderful.
Yes.
Well, viewers, thank you for being with us.
Thank you very
And you hear from us soon on Soludo TV channel 111.
Yes.
Anambra, tune in. Be on live. We always bring to you tides about Professor Chukwuma Soludo, CFR, the former CBN governor.
And there's one thing we are trying to do now. It's not about Soludo. We are trying to make sure that people that in support of Soludo has their
voters card. That's the voters card revolution.
So we are doing sanitization on grassroots to make sure that if you don't have it, you start making arrangements to have your own.
That's good.
So that's the only instrument you use to put Soludo in Agoka.
All right, thank you. Thank you for watching us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Say the right one. Oh yeah, say the right